Want to reset your Instagram feed to see new content? This video explains how to influence the algorithm in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, you should know there isn't a single button to reset your feed, but you can retrain it over time. To start seeing different content, you can unfollow accounts that no longer interest you from your following list. You can also go to the Explore page and find posts you don't like, then mark them as not interested. Actively search for and follow new accounts, hashtags, and creators that you want to see more of in your feed. Make sure to engage with the content you enjoy by liking, commenting, and saving the posts you want to see. Over time, the algorithm will learn your new preferences and begin showing you a much more curated and relevant feed. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.